The damn it doll.
You really want me to do this?
Whenever things don't go so well.
And you want to hit the wall and yell.
Here's a little damn it doll that you can't do without.
Just grasp it firmly by the legs.
And find a place to slam it.
And as you whack the stuffing out of it, yell, damn it, damn it.
Damn it.
Isn't that cute?
We're grown-ups, Derek. We're freaking 50 years old.
That is so silly.
Damn it, Rachel!
Well, that's what you wanted?
Just to help you out. Bring that foot in. Ready?
Man, that seems close. Do I have a boogie?
Get your hair. Get the stuff out of your hair.
Hello, it's me again. You guys see that? Oh wait, you can't answer me because this is a video recording.
Go ahead and burn the threads off.
Patterning's not fun on camera.
I need you to say patterning is fun.
Patterning is the best thing to do.
I'm getting tired, Derek. I can't do it. I just can't do it. Oh, shoot. A new pattern or great pattern?
A new pattern.
Okay. Are you saying it? Are you saying it's not great?
Why is it that Derek has to take my stuff all the time? You ruined the whole.
I was trying to do something and you ruined it.
You ruined the whole thing. I transformed you into a person that loves to draw patterns now.
No.
How cool is that? How cool is that? Are you having any fun at all, or is this a horrifying experience?
This is fine.
The correct answer is on top of the ball.
I'm having the best time, George.
Are you trying to convince me or yourself?
Don't let them make you lie. You be you, okay?
It is a glass edge. Yeah, see it?
Screw you up.
It's touching me.
You can't be comfortable. I'm sorry.
And I wish you the best of luck.
And when people touch my security mask, I get a little stressed out. I know, somebody said, no, I'm using that.
You don't need any of that stuff, do you? You maybe need that. It looks really bad. Are you okay? Do you need a moment?
Crush my soul on day one, then I'm at your whim for the rest of the time. Like,
Oh, wait a moment. That's good. You're recording? We must have a new guy with a clap. Okay, recording. So in the foreground. Yeah, thank you, sir. That makes sense.
Gracias.
I'm gonna try to aim for that right here to get my stuff started. Whoops, almost stabbed it. Whoa, we did stab it. Don't stab your finger. I'm not the only one, am I?
Don't circumcise your fingers. Ow. Don't stab yourself.
All right.
You are here with Illume. We are, no, coffee? Coffee. Need to refresh a little bit the brain there.
Good morning. You're right in time for a coffee. Yeah.
We can stop. I'm starving. So yeah.
We need the energy. We're not just sitting behind a camera. We're actually doing the work.
now, Aaron, we want you to say this.
Don't make me do it again. I can see it on your face. You want to.
So grab your paintbrush and follow along.
I guess I'll be okay.
We did it!
And also, it breaks very easily. Now it won't break.
Should I demonstrate how kangaroo does not break?
Yeah.
Okay. And so kangaroo has the highest strengths. And so if you're trying to break it, oh shoot, that wasn't good. Oh, that's breaking.
Just say perfect, Ty. Good job. I'm sad that the class is over. I want to keep going.
I know, I got to the end and I was like, oh good, oh good. What did I just...
Now we're ready for the final glue.
Oh, okay. And I don't think this knife, did I put it in right? Okay, so anyway, that's what the effect is that you want. And I don't know where to go from there.
Oh, I'm going again?
Yeah, you got to do an intro.
What was an intro?
Did we do an outro? You wanted me to say,
Oh, you wanted to out it too. Oh, I thought that was the out.
I thought you told me to, I don't know, I'm confused. I've done a lot really fast.
That sounds weird.
No,
Okay, I feel like I am talking gibberish sometimes.
And I hope you love leather as much as I do.
if you don't mind, we'll just run through that one more time.
I thought it was pretty much perfect, but whatever.
We may use that one.
We may not. We may blend them.